folks. We hammered some big bass on our last expedition, and we had a bit of fun along the way. And what I'm going to do now is I'm getting the car ready because we're going on another adventure. We're going to be going down to Ocean Shores. I'm going to hook up with a mate of mine, Al Pal, just known from Mount Gravatt Fishing Club. Yeah, we spent a bit of time together on the beach, caught a few fish, and we'll be going down and chasing some big greenback tailor, some big fellas with horse mackerel late afternoon. And along the way, hopefully I'll hook up with my other mate, and I'll be taking you guys down at Flat Rock, and we'll be just checking out the grey nurse population, see how many sharks there is still there, if there's any fishing line, if they tangle up any way. I'll probably have to get in with the knife, cut the line free, pliers, wire, whatever. So I'll be doing a bit of dental work with the grey nurse population over at Flat Rock. And on the way down, I'm going to drop in, see an old mate of mine, Ockie. I've got the 8.6 Gladiator spoon here. I've had this board for about 20 years. Been around Australia a few times. I'd like to show something so the camera can pick it up. See these marks here? Hammerhead. It was late afternoon. I think it was 82. Yeah, it was definitely 82. There was a cyclone off the coast, 5-6 metre swells, 30-foot breaks, and there was 2 more sets coming in. And Ockie said, well, it's getting dark now, I'm going in. And I said, well, there's 2 more sets coming. Anyhow, well, he went in, of course, and I just waited for that last one. And just as I was about to get up on it, I saw it. And from its dorsal fin, I could tell it was a hammerhead. So, you know, you hear stories about pushing fingers in their eyes and stuff like that. I had one option. What I had to do, folks, I put my foot into its pectoral fin, and I used everything I had and actually squashed its head up like that. And for the first time in its life, its eyes looked at each other, and it saw how freaky it really was. And it just sort of did cartwheels, freaked out across the water. I caught the wave, went in. Ockie says, mate, if we had a camera, that was $1 million shot. And so I'll be dropping and seeing Ockie. And on the way through, I've got to go up to Mount Coot-tha, drop a nice burnt apricot shirt off to a good mate of mine up there. So we'll have a bit of fun. G'day kids, how you going? Yeah, I'm off on another adventure. Probably bring something back for you. Turtle or a stingray, anything? What do you want? Baby crocodile? Baby croc, yeah? Okay. Okay, we'll clean out your bathtub. Yeah, so we'll have a bit of fun. And before I do finish, folks, can I emphasise, you know, we have a bit of fun along the way, but will you please slow down and drive safe, because I'm going to need you guys to be there for my next movie. So slow down, okay?